In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hold or resolve if you notice your wireless or Wi-Fi connection seems to be disconnecting very frequently. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial on how to hopefully go about resolving it without too much of a hassle. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. Type in Device Manager into the Start menu search. One of the best managers should come back with Device Manager. So we're going to just go ahead and left click on that one time. So now you want to go ahead and expand the network adapter section. So either double click on it or left click on the little arrow next to it to expand the drop down. Select whatever your network adapter is listed here. If it's a mini port, it's probably not your network adapter, so we could probably get rid of just about every single one of them in here. Hopefully you guys only have one or two in here. So you want to go ahead and right click on your wireless adapter and then left click on properties. You want to left click on the power management tab, and then where it says allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, uncheck that box and then left click on OK. Close out of Device Manager now, restart your computer and see if it's resolved the problem. If you are still experiencing a problem, you can go ahead and open up the Start menu again. Type in Power Options. One of the best managers should come back with Power and Sleep settings. You want to go ahead and left click on that. And then on the right side underneath Related Settings, you want to go left click on Additional Power Settings. So whatever plan is currently selected here, you want to go and left click on Change Plan Settings. So again, whichever one is selected, select Change Plan Settings that corresponds to it. And now you want to go select where it says Change Advanced Power Settings. So left click on that. You want to scroll down to Wireless Adapter Settings. So you don't really have to scroll in this case, but I'm going to go expand this, so click on the little plus sign next to it. And then I'm going to click on the plus sign next to Power Saving Mode and keep it to maximum performance. Once you're done with that, go ahead and left click on OK or applying OK, and that should hopefully be about it. So close out of here. Again, restart your computer, and I do hope I was able to help you guys out. Thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.